beautiful friends. I am so excited to have you here because today we're making potato salad. It's delicious, it's creamy, it has a nice tang to it. It is everything a potato salad should be, and it's perfect for the summer because I love to make potato salad whenever I make a barbecue. It's the perfect side dish. 4th of July is also coming up, so we have a few holidays that this would be perfect. Let me show you the few ingredients you're going to need so we can go ahead and get started. Okay, first off, we have our potatoes. Here I'm using russet potatoes, but you can use any type of potatoes you like. I really like a golden potato or a red potato to make potato salad, but this is just what I had on hand, so that's what I use, and it works perfectly well. You're going to need some fresh parsley and dill. You're going to need some Dijon mustard, sour cream, mayonnaise, quarter of a red onion. You can also use shallots, but the reason I'm not using shallots is because I like to use the sweet relish. So I find the shallots, since they're a tiny bit sweet, they're just a little too much, so I like to use a red onion. You're going to need juice from 1 lemon. You're going to need some celery salt, paprika, hard-boiled eggs, salt and pepper. That is it. If you're not a fan of sweet relish, you can always substitute it for some dill pickles. So first thing we're gonna do is boil our potatoes and our eggs. I have my saucepan here with some water ready to go. So I am going to peel and dice my potatoes. I like a medium dice because once you mix in the whole thing, if the potatoes are too small, they are going to mash. You may want to cut it about this size. I am going to go ahead and finish peeling and dicing my potatoes, and then we can move on to the next step. I am pretty much done here. I am going to drain this water because it's a little dirty. I'm going to add new water, and then I'm going to put the potatoes to boil for around 15 minutes. And I'm also going to boil my eggs. You want hard-boiled eggs, so about, I would say, 10 minutes. Once all of that is ready, we can come back here so we can put the whole thing together. My potatoes are almost ready. Now we're going to make the dressing so it can be done by the time the potatoes are ready. We pretty much just want to add everything to our bowl. Let me just add my dill. Okay, so you're gonna need about a tablespoon of dill and a tablespoon of parsley. If you're using dried, which I really recommend that if you have access to fresh, use fresh because it really does make a difference in my opinion. Like I said, if you're using dried, you might want to use a little bit less. So I'm just going to give this a nice shoppity shop. Okay, into the bowl it goes. I like to do the juice of a full lemon. Add half first, and then if you find that it does need the other half, add it. But just to put a disclaimer out there, I like things pretty citrusy. Now we season it with some salt, and I did add a little bit of salt to my potatoes and a little bit of pepper. You can do freshly black pepper. I like this already ground pepper for the salad because it's not as strong. So now we just mix everything together. Okay, my dressing looks perfect. It looks somewhat like that, if you can see it. Now I am going to check on my potatoes and my eggs. They should be done, and then we just mix everything in here. Potatoes are done. I drained them. Going to add it right into my bowl, and now I'm just going to chop my egg. Potatoes and eggs are in. I'm going to give everything nice mix. I'm gonna go in and give it a taste test to see if I need to add a little more salt. It's perfect the way it is. so delicious. It's creamy. It has a nice tang. It's a little bit of sweetness from the sweet relish. It's just perfect. And it really is simple. In my opinion, potato salad is best the next day because I find that all the flavors get to marry together in the refrigerator. So you can definitely make this the day before you're gonna serve it, and it's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna taste so good. It's gonna taste even better than the same day. But if you wanna serve it right away, go ahead and serve it right away. Mine is in between mashed and chunky. It is so good. It really, really is. The flavors are there. They're phenomenal. Don't forget that you can always find the written recipe on my website, anitasdelightsrecipes.com, and you can find a direct link in my description box. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.